Tired of your car trunk looking like a disaster zone? I built this simple NDF box with just a drill, and it changed everything. I'm Mosin, and this DIY trunk organizer took me less than an afternoon. It's made from 12mm MDF, a bit of glue, and some patience. Finger holes make it easy to lift. It fits snug in the trunk and holds tools, groceries, anything you throw at it. No fancy tools, no workshop, just real results. It's more than a box. It's peace of mind on the road. And building it yourself, that's the best part. Like this video if you want more smart DIY builds, and subscribe for projects anyone can make at home.